Hi all. Network security has exceeded human scale. Teams are trapped in reactive operational firefighting, leaving long-term strategy and architecture projects perpetually starved of attention. Organizations that don't transform how they run network security will face compounding risk, regulatory exposure, and erosion of trust. And so, I'm excited to introduce you to an elite squad of 6 expert AI agents that work across your entire network security within Strata Cloud Manager. These agents work alongside your admins, troubleshooting issues, analyzing threats, managing policy changes, and hardening posture across your deployment. When you're ready, these agents can operate autonomously, detecting problems, diagnosing root causes, and executing remediations without human intervention. Your admins control the level of autonomy. Start with approve every action, graduate to full delegation as trust is earned. This is where network security management and operations is heading, and it starts now. There are several scenarios I could show you today, but I chose 2 that came up in nearly every customer conversation. First, the threat coverage. Your security teams face a constant stream of new vulnerabilities across endpoints, applications, and infrastructure. And keeping up is a losing battle at human speed. Let's start with the threat agent demo. The CISO sees a viral Unit 42 blog post about a new threat and immediately sends a text to the security admin. Are we protected against this? Need an answer ahead of my 9 a.m. meeting with the board. Before the admin even logs into the system, the threat agent has already gone to work. The agent continuously monitors Unit 42 intelligence and automatically compares it against your deployed infrastructure. The agent doesn't simply raise an alert. It highlights exactly where the environment is partially protected and provides early indications of compromise analysis to determine if any bad actors have attempted to exploit these vulnerabilities. The agent then builds a complete remediation plan based on best practices. And here's the best part. Before taking any action, the agent explains what will happen, estimates the AI credits required for this, and waits for administrator approval. Once approved, the agent orchestrates the remediation across your environment. And voila, the organization is protected. What used to be a half day of toilsome grunt work was resolved proactively by the agent, freeing up your admin's time to work on more strategic initiatives in your organization. It's a better security outcome with far less time invested. Second, let's take a look at user access troubleshooting issues. The single user I can't connect tickets that consume your most expensive engineers every day. Let me now show you this agent in action. One of the biggest challenges IT organizations face is when your users report a connectivity or an application access issue. Every day, your highest paid network and security engineers are pulled into diagnosing why one employee can't reach an application. In speaking with customers, we have heard that on average, IT teams at mid to large organizations receive about 200 trouble tickets a day and are buried in resolving them. Now, in this example, it is the end of a quarter at a large enterprise. Maria, a sales manager, is unable to access the CRM application this morning and has to get a deal code to the customer. She submits a trouble ticket. The admin assigned to the ticket can now simply ask the troubleshooting agent in natural language, why is Maria unable to access CRM application? The agent dynamically builds a comprehensive troubleshooting plan for the issue, performing multi-domain analysis, pulling in the contextual data required, reasons over the data, and makes inferences. The service desk staff are able to see the different domains analyzed, along with the agent's thinking, reasoning, and full explainability. Lastly, the agent performs correlations of the findings across various domains to identify the root cause and displays it with the evidence as seen here. Further, the troubleshooting expert agent recruits the configuration expert that ingests current findings as context and recommends the necessary security policy changes to restore access for Maria. Admins go from manually troubleshooting to reviewing findings and approving fixes. It is groundbreaking to see that agents can now resolve user access issues in minutes that previously required an escalation and took hours to fix. As we close, consider the opportunity ahead of us. Together, we can fundamentally change where network security experts spend their time. Let's move in the direction of applying network security expertise to where it enables intelligent action, so we move beyond reactive operational firefighting and focus on strengthening the business for what comes next. Thank you,